Hello, nice to see you. This is part 3 of Heimer's journey to winter sports. Today I'm going to show you what I do when I get the camper ready for storage after a trip. Most things I do every trip, but a few things need a little more attention if you have made a winter trip. Cleaning is important in this case, and preferably don't wait a week. You have picked up a lot of dirt and especially a lot of salt during the journey on European roads, and you preferably do not want to let that take effect on the motorhome for too long. In this case, we stopped on the way home at Starwash in Oldenzaal. You have to make an appointment there and then you can go. They make the entire motorhome sparkling clean from the outside in less than an hour. It is very important that they clean the underside with a special washing machine. This way they also wash away all the salt there, and that is important for the preservation of your motorhome. It's nice that they also tackle the entire roof, so you don't have to worry about that either. It costs a bit, but if you do it yourself, I think it takes at least an hour or two, and then you have not done the bottom as well as it is now done. And in terms of price, in the spring of 2022 the chassis cleaning and motorhome washing will cost €79.50, and as you can see there is a lot of manual work involved. There is also a package in which they clean the awning for you. It is actually a great wash for you to store the motorhome after the summer, although I think of course that you should never store the motorhome but should continue driving. Once home, all winter gear is taken out and I make the interior spick and span. A little more careful because we have now also been inside with shoes that may have had grit or salt on them. Careful vacuuming does a lot, but also just wet the floor to remove the solid dirt. Keep in mind that some motorhomes have a double floor, like ours. Don't use excessive water on it because it will run into the basement. I also vacuum that basement, by the way. When that's all done, don't forget to empty the toilet, and, if you don't expect to use the motorhome for a while, immediately give it a treatment with Duo tank cleaner. Then the cassette is nice and fresh again. Then I drain all the water. It is still winter and there is always a chance of night frost. First switch off the pump, then open all taps in the position between hot and cold. Then open the drain of the clean water tank and open the frost protection of the heater. We also have a tap to empty the water pipes. I will open that too. Now basically all the water pulls out of the pipes and runs away. The chance of frost damage is therefore quite limited. If you want to be sure, you can empty the pipes by blowing on the taps until the bubbling stops. Then I walk one last round and the motorhome can go back to the garage. And that was our series about the winter trip with Heimer to the snow. I hope you enjoyed it and that there was still something for you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Mis je ook de volgende niet. Tot de volgende keer.